this. Let's do this honestly, okay? If you can do this test with me, this is a character test of a salesperson. If you can just, this is about 15 questions. Can you just answer it truthfully? We'll go through it. We'll have a score at the end of it. Okay? So, here we go. Just a minute. View slideshow. So, pull out your pens. Okay, yes or no lang tayo dito. Here's a pen. Right here. Okay. Alright? Do you have self-discipline? Okay? Self-discipline in a meaning that, you know, it needs to be done, you gotta do it. Are you that disciplined? Do you have self-discipline? Yes or no? Okay? No. Okay. Next question. Are you self-motivated? Or does somebody need to motivate you? Are you self-motivated? Meaning you will do things on your own without being told to. Okay? Yes or no again, di ba? Hindi pwedeng sometimes, generally, walang effort. You know, half-ass effort means half-ass results. So you're either go or you're no-go. If you want full results. Okay? Is the desire of becoming knowledgeable there in you? Do you read books? Do you attend seminars? Do you read these things like Army sends out Brian Tracy? I send out Alan Fairweather. There are several other books. Do you go to the bookstore? Do you look at those inspirational, motivational? Are you that person? Yes or no? Next question. Are you into relationship building? Meaning, you know, you're there. Diba? And then just party. Oh, you want to network some more? You know, you take that level of friendship into another level. Yes or no? Okay? You can still make hapon. This is a question of yes or no. There are so many questions. So 15 questions. I didn't see you doing your yes or no yet. Are you self-confident? Okay? Yes or no? Okay? Alright? Do you like yourself? Okay? Or are you like, parang, I wish. Or, you know, do you like yourself? Do you love people?
Yes, but not everyone.
Exactly. Okay? There will be exceptions, but generally, of course, we're speaking on a general level, no?
Yeah.
Do you love challenges? Do you love challenges? No. 1 million, kailangan kong time this month. This month. You know, that would mean selling a building. Do you love to win?
Yes. Of course.
Okay. Do you accept rejection with positive attitude? Remember the golden rule? You know, it's okay to make a mistake, but you better learn from that mistake. Okay? And better yet, but you know, di natin susunod, learn from other people's mistakes.
Mas wiser ba?
Okay? The thing is, sa tigas ng ulo natin, wala eh. We have to experience it on ourselves, unfortunately. Next question. Do you handle details? Well, are you willing to do that? Eto, alam mo naman ito, brokerage natin. Paperwork to, meticulous pa dapat, and all that. Next question. Are you loyal?
Yes, like ito.
Alright. Are you enthusiastic?
Yes, enthusiastic.
Okay. Are you observant?
Yes.
You're in a talk with your client. You're there. You're discussing. You're interviewing. You have to be observant. Is the client sarado sa'yo? You know, or talagang, you know, open eyes looking. Are you contact eye to eye? Do you have that rapport? You have to be observant. Is it kind of like looking away, answering cell phones? You know, pag ganun, parang you have to make adjustments while you are there in confrontation with the client. Are you a good listener? Or do you butt in? Marami tayo, minsan di pa tapos yung kliyente eh. We butt in. It's so hard to shut our mouths sometimes. I'm guilty of that. I was so guilty of that before until I learned to shut up. Because at the end, sabi ko sa inyo, at the end of the conversation, after the client, pag nakita mo, you look back, okay, how did my meeting with Mr. Santos go? Who spoke more? I think I did more. If you did, sorry. Are you a skillful communicator? Meaning, you're kind of like, kita mo, parang namamatay yung conversation, namamatay, nagiging deadlock kayo, switch to something that would again get that rapport going. Okay, hey, by the way, I need to go. By the way, what kind of music are you into? Or, something. You have to always get into a rapport. Always. Rapport and trust. Yan ang pinaka-basic. Are you a hard worker? Yes or no? Are you perceptive?
Perceptive sa senses.
Perceptive meaning that you can adjust right away. You're seeing there's something going on. Parang observative to but you're perceptive. You're parang you're also anticipating what that person is already thinking. So you're kind of perspective. And then, do you put your goals in writing? Ito talaga, I tell you, is so important because there is something neurological about it. Something written down reacts and nerves straight to the brain, to your subconscious. Unless you write it down, it's not good enough. Are you persistent? Ayoko eh. No. Do you stop pag sabi ng no? How persistent are you? Like the Philippines was resilient, but I guess it was more because we were blessed, no? But are you persistent? Oh, you're gonna find it. Sometimes my staff tells me, sir, ayaw mo bigay yung ayaw bigay yung detalye or something. I call them. Yung broker daw, direct listing lang, direct buyer lang daw. I hate that listing kasi may buyer ako eh. So, ang dating ko sa kanya, sa broker, natawagan mo yung broker. Hi, this is Robert Sarmiento. I'm a broker. By the way, I have a property just about a few steps away from your property. I'm entertaining other brokers also. Maybe you have a buyer. So, this is me talking to that broker na mayabang na sabi niya gusto niya direct buyer lang. How would he react when I am that kind of person telling him, hey, I have a listing that's near you. It's my exclusive listing. But, if you have a buyer, I'm open to it. Just call me if you have a buyer. Siya naman, siyempre, isipin niya, swapa ko pala. Mag-iisip siya. The persistency to go after that property because, your goal has to be met. Diba? You have a buyer. You have to help that client buy. If you help that client buy, correspondingly, you make money. Do you want financial stability? Meaning talagang secure. You're set. Makabukas ka ng negosyo na, yung brokerage, medyo gulong na lang. Okay, here are the scores. Look at you. If you said yes to 15 or more, you're there. You have what it takes. If yes is 10 to 14, you're in pretty good shape. If yes to fewer than 10, lots to work on. Summary. Characteristics are a list of your desires, basic aptitudes, and attitudes. Not a list of technical skills of selling. Iba yan. Ang selling talagang natuturuan yan. But if you do not have it in you, the desire, wala. You are in the wrong line of business. Maybe you should be a clerk, maybe you should be in a desk, something. But that is what a salesperson characteristics are made of. Rule 1, successful selling is a learnable set of skills for those with the fortitude, aptitude, and persistence to succeed. There are no other rules. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah. So, tapos na yun, ano?